The DRM controversy on Polish trains, a battle for the right to repair. In a startling revelation that has ignited discussions around digital rights management, DRM, and the right to repair, the Polish train manufacturing industry found itself at the center of a technological and legal maelstrom. A series of events unfolded when Poland's Koleje Dolnośląskie (KD) rail operator encountered inexplicable malfunctions with their Impulse 45WE trains, manufactured by Newag, following routine maintenance and servicing. These incidents have not only highlighted the intricate challenges of modern digital systems in transportation, but have also exposed a deep rift in the ideological and legal approach towards ownership, repair rights, and the integrity of digital systems in industrial machinery. It all began when KD's trains, after clocking a substantial amount of service, were due for routine maintenance. The contract for servicing these trains was won by Serwis Pojazdo Sina, which, SPS, significantly underbidding Newag. However, post-maintenance, the trains refused to start despite no apparent mechanical or electrical defects. This puzzling situation led SPS to enlist the expertise of a team of white-hat hackers from Dragon sector, who embarked on a meticulous journey to unravel the mystery. After months of rigorous reverse engineering and analysis, the hackers unearthed startling findings embedded within the train's firmware. They discovered a series of sophisticated mechanisms programmed to immobilize the trains under specific conditions. One such mechanism was a GPS-based code that would prevent the train from starting if it spent more than 10 days within certain geographical coordinates, notably aligning with locations of third-party repair shops. Another mechanism detected changes in the serial numbers of certain parts, suggesting replacements, and required a secret combination of inputs to reactivate the train. Perhaps the most intriguing of these was a time-based trigger, designed to report a compressor malfunction under specific date conditions, coinciding with the scheduled maintenance period. These revelations not only resolved the mysterious breakdowns but also opened a Pandora's box of ethical, legal, and safety concerns. Newag's alleged use of such DRM mechanisms has been perceived by many as a direct assault on the right to repair, a concept that has been a bone of contention across various industries globally. Critics argue that implementing such DRM measures is a tactic to monopolize repair and maintenance services, consequently inflating costs and restricting the owner's choice of service providers. The backlash against Newag's alleged practices was swift and severe. Legal threats and vehement denials ensued from Newag's side, labeling the accusations as part of a smear campaign orchestrated by competitors. Conversely, the hackers and SPS defended their actions, asserting no malfeasance in their approach to diagnosing and rectifying the train's issues. This legal and ideological standoff reflects a broader global struggle over the right to repair, where manufacturers, citing safety and security concerns, implement stringent DRM measures to control or restrict third-party interventions in their products. The implications of this controversy are vast and multifaceted. On one hand, it underscores the intricate complexities of modern digital systems and the need for robust, transparent, and user-centric policies governing their operation and maintenance. On the other hand, it echoes a growing demand for legislative reforms that balance manufacturers' rights to protect their intellectual property with the consumer's right to repair, maintain, and fully utilize their purchased products. As the dust settles on this high-stakes drama, the global discourse on DRM, the right to repair, and the ethical dimensions of digital system manipulation in industrial machinery continues to evolve. This incident not only serves as a cautionary tale about the unchecked proliferation of digital locks, but also as a rallying point for advocates of repair rights, signaling a potential renaissance in the way we perceive and interact with the technology that powers our world. The outcome of this saga could very well dictate the future trajectory of digital rights management, shaping legislative, ethical, and industrial norms for years to come.